Sometimes your recipe calls for a citrus zest, and you might wonder, what is that and how do I get it there? I'm going to show you how to zest citrus. So here I've got three different options. We've got a microplane, which is going to give you this lovely, very fine zest. That's something you're going to be putting in sauces and batters and things like that. There's a very cool 5-hole thing that gives you these long curlicues, and those are going to be more decorative, used on top of a cake or cupcakes or something. And then this wonderful vegetable peeler is going to give you these fabulous strips that you're going to use in beverages, right? Now, what you want to be careful when you are zesting is that you only take the color of that rind off. That's where the oils are and all the aromas, those wonderful smells and flavors. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. Microplane's easy. You just start at the top and move on down. You're going to be getting zest, right? Just like that. Here is this wonderful little tool that would be for decor. And for something like this that you want long strips, you're going to go around the fruit. And that way you get those lovely, long curls. And this is a handy-dandy vegetable peeler that we all know. And you're just going to make big, wide strips. Careful, only pull off the yellow and leave that bitter pith behind. Smells delicious. Can't wait.